Watashi wa Rinigol desu from 2.2 BSHM. Module 1, Non-Specific Time Expression. The day before yesterday, ototoy. Yesterday, kinu. Today, kyo. Tomorrow, ashita. The day after tomorrow, asate. Every day, minichi. Morning, asa. This morning, kesa. This every night, konban. Every morning, mayasa. Every night, maeban. Last week, senshu. This week, konshu. Next week, raishu. Last month, sengetsu. This month, kongetsu. Next month, raigetsu. Last year, yonen. This year, kotoshi. Next year, rainen. Every week, maishu. Every month, maitsuki. Every year, maitushi. Class, jogyo. Meeting, kaiga. Work, shigoto. Deadline, shimekiri. Vacation, yasumi. Break, yuki. Birthday, atanjubi. Schedule, yutai. Project, orojekuto. Party, pati. Exam, shiken. Christmas, kurisumas. Now, ima. Next, chogi. First, mazu. Non-hero. Weekend, shumatsu. Weekday, hijitsu. Module 2, Time and Transportation. International student, Ryuga Kusei. Students, Setu. Classmate, Kurasometu. Group, Gurupu. Member, Menba. Vehicle, Norimunu. Motorcycle, Baiko. Bicycle, Chitensha. Car, Kuruma. Taxi, Takushi. Bus, Basu. Train, Densha. Subway, Shikatitsu. Bullet train, Shinkansen. Ship, phone. Airplane, Hikoki. On foot by walking, Aroit. Part-time, Arubaitu. Training, Toriningu. Seminar, Zimi. Conversation, Kaiwa. Assignment, Shukudai. Problem, Monday. Road trip, Ofuku. One way, Katamichi. Span of time, 5 minutes, Gufun kan. 30 minutes, Janpun kan. 1 hour, Ichiji kan. 3 hours, Sanji kan. 2.5 hours, Nijan kan. 1 day, Ichinichi kan. 10 days, Tuka kan. 1 week, Ishu kan. 2 weeks, Nishukan. 1 month, Ikagetsukan. 4 month, Yungan Getsuka. 1 year, Ichininkan. 2 years, Saninkan. Module 3, Adjectives. Hot, Atsu. Cool, Suzushi. Delicious, Oishi. Expensive, high. Takai, cheap. Inexpensive, Yasu. Warm, Atatakai. Spacious, Hiroi. Small, Chisai. Good, Ie. Fast, high. Hahai. Slow, Usoy. Cold, Chumitai. Nyo, Atarashi. Old, Uroy. Spicy, Karai. Sweet, Amay. Few, Sukonai. Mini, Ui. Dark, Korai. Bright, Akaroy. Fun, enjoyable. Tanushi, noisy, Arosai. Na adjective. Quiet, Shizuka. Clean, beautiful, Kireina. Famous, Yumina. Polite, Tenina. Kind, Shishitsuna. Convenient, Binuina. Lovely, nice. Sotekina. Lively, Ligiyaka na. Free, not busy. Himana. Serious, earnest. Majimina. Handsome, Hansamuna. Inconvenient, Fubina. Strong, durable. Jubuna. Too difficult, Taihin na. Easy, simple. Kantan. Module 4, verbs. Eat, tabimas. Drink, dumimas. Read, yumimas. Write, kakimas. Listen, ikimas. Speak, talk. Hanashimas. Watch, see. Mimas, buy. Kaimas, go. Ikimas, wake up. Okimas, sleep. Nimas, rest. Yosumimas, start. Hajimarimas, finish. Owarimas, work. Shigoto shimas, cook, make. Chukurimas, call, phone. Dinwa shimas, study. Benkyo shimas. And that's all. Thank you.